Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make potato stuffed patties. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Now add 2 tablespoons chopped onion. Sauté onion for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 1 cup chopped capsicum. Now sauté capsicum for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they become soft. Now add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Give it a mix. After 2 minutes, add boiled chicken mince. Mix everything well. After mixing, now add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar again. Mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix them well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. To give it a sweet, tangy taste, add 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Mix it. At the end, add coriander. It's almost done. Give it a last mix and turn off the flame. Now take 3 medium-sized boiled and mash them. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix it well. Use your hands to make it a smooth dough. Take small amount of potato dough. Flake the potato mixture on hands. Put 1 tablespoon chicken mince mixture. Cover the mixture with potato dough. Make other by following the same steps. For frying, add 1 tablespoon oil. Put potato patties. Shallow fry on medium heat. Fry each side for 1 minute and then turn the side. Keep turning the sides until they turn golden brown. One side is almost cooked. It's ready. Take them out of pan. They are looking so tempting to try and share your reviews. Let's cut it. I hope you like the recipe. Do like and subscribe.